Good morning, guys. We just woke up. We are going to go get our puppy. What's the puppy's name?
Kaya.
Kaya. What are you doing? We just have to stop at Walmart and get a couple puppy things and then go get our puppy. The puppy is at my sister's house. It is a Pitbull puppy. My sister's Pitbull, Brooklyn, I think she had 11 puppies. And
11 puppies?
Yep, Brooklyn had 11 puppies. So, and they just turned 8 weeks. So we can go and get our Kaya. So we're just in Walmart getting a couple things for the doggy. For Kaya, right? Got some puppy pads. Got her little squeaky toy. Do you want to squeak it?
Yeah.
Got her little chew thingy. And of course we had to get the pink collar because she's a princess, right?
Yeah. And I'm a princess.
Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was late.
Little babies. Here's Kaya. Oh, she's so sweet.
Can I hold her back?
No, bud, I got her.
Mama,
She's a sweet girl.
why is the monkey supposed to be here? Why is he staring at me?
Sweetie.
Why is he staring at me, Dad?
Kaya. Oh, those eyes.
She got some pretty eyes.
Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was late. Yeah. Talk about this, can't forget. I'm seeing you in everywhere.
Both know that it won't work. We both know that it won't work. Both know that it won't work. We both know that it won't work.
Thought about it. I thought about it. She looks like Allie. Hey, Mom.
So Kaya is officially home. Hey, mamas. Got her outside. She's just playing. Being a silly, beautiful girl. Hi. Oh, I know. Mama, do you like her?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's a good doggy, huh?
Yeah.
She's beautiful. In case you guys couldn't already tell, Kaya is a pit bull. She's 8 weeks. She's just so beautiful. She's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like you.
Yes.
Kaya's such a sleepy girl.
Yeah.
She's like a baby. Oh, you giving her some blankie?
Yeah.
You think she's cold? I think she's okay. Good night, night.
Night. Does she have a belly?
Yeah, you can rub her belly. Oh. Good morning. It's day number 2 with little Miss Kaya. My daughter is definitely her favorite. She even wants to sleep with her. It's adorable. She's definitely latched onto her, and it's so cute. She did very good last night. Hey, good morning, Kaya.
Good morning, Kaya.
She loves you.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm taking Kaya to the park. Right, Mama? We're going to the park.
Mom,
Yeah?
Kaya is excited.
She is excited. It's her first time going to the park.
Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was it late? But was it late? Yeah. Talk about this, can't forget. I'm seeing you in everywhere, in everywhere.
Both know that it won't work. We both know that it won't work. Both know that it won't work. We both know that it won't work.
Thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it. Thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it. Thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it. Thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it.
Hey, Mama.
Tickles.
She tickling you, pet her. Go ahead, pet her.
Mom,
Yeah.
can I go to the playground?
Go ahead. Hi, babies. Oh,
Hi.
careful. Whoop. Kaya wants you to pet her.
Where's my mom?
Mama went bye-bye. We gonna see Mama later for dinner?
Hey then. Come on. Get on this swing. I'll push you.
We are back home with our sweet girl, our sweet Kaya. She really, really liked the park, but it made her a little pooped. She's a sleepy girl. We're about to go have dinner at Grandmom's house. Oh, you got yourself a little flower. She loves the kids. But we're about to go have dinner at Grandmom's house. She's gonna meet Grandmom. And yeah, that's about it. Do you want to put her in the wagon with you? Cullen, put Kaya in the wagon.
Look at right here.
Yep.
Right here.
Bye-bye. Yeah, I think this is gonna be the end of the vlog. This is my Sabi baby jumping. You're so handsome.
Yes.
But we will see you guys in the next video.
Bye bye.
Say see you next time.
See you next